Hello everyone! Are you ready for some phonics today? Amazing, let's go. Bounce the sounds 3 times. Very good. I have got some pictures here. Let's have a look and think about the first sound. My turn, your turn. Rabbit. Red. Rocket. Robot. Ring. Rainbow. Well done. Did you hear the first sound? Let's bounce it first. My turn, your turn. Rabbit. Red. Rocket. Robot. Ring. Rainbow. Lovely. Did you hear the first sound in rocket, rainbow, red? It is the R sound. I have the R sound over here. Would you like to have a look? Are you ready? Oh, it's trying to fly away like a rocket. Come back here. Oh, let's have a look. Off we go. R. 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 Lovely. I think some children might be going R. That's not how we say this sound. We don't say R. We say R. R. Amazing. Okay, I am going to robot some words and you are going to blend. Wake up your blending arm. Fantastic. Your first word is rat. Rat. Oh, I don't really like rats. Your next word is rim. Rim. Well done. That can be the edge of a glass. It's called a rim. And last word is ripple. Ripple. That's sometimes what happens in the water. You can get ripples. Lovely. It's your turn to robot. Show me your robot arms. Put in some super strong batteries today for fantastic roboting. Your first word is rot. Lovely. Rot. Rot. And next word is rug. Rug. Well done. And your last word, listening carefully, is rag. 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 Very good. Our sound today is the R sound. R. 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 Fantastic. We are going to read some words with the R sound in them. When we read words, we look at the letters, make the sounds, blend the sounds together. Everyone, we very good. Off we go. Your first word. Are you ready? Sitting up straight, looking carefully, is Everyone. Rug. Rug. Fantastic. And next word. Off we go. Everyone. Rip. Like, can you rip something? Can you go rip? Fantastic. And next word. Everyone looking carefully. Together. Rot. Rot. Fantastic. And last word, looking very carefully. Ooh. Let's start again. Everyone together. Rockets. Lovely. I'm going to flash them. Can you remember the words? Have a go. Rug. Rip. Rot. Rockets. Rot. Rockets. Rug. Very good. Okay, we are going to practice writing our sound today. And our sound is Lovely. To help us write the sound, we have a very helpful robot. So for the sound, we go down the robot, back up and over the arm. We go down the robot, back up and over the arm. Let's practice together. Are we ready? Fantastic. We start on this side. We go down the robot, back up and over the arm. Then a finger space. Down the robot, back up and over the arm. Lovely. Finger space. Down the robot, back up and over the arm. Lovely. Make sure that your robot's arm has a nice curve to it. I can see some children going down the robot, back up and over the arm. That's not how we do our sound. Our robot's arm has a nice curve. So we go down the robot, back up and over the arm. Lovely. And what sound are you writing? Everyone. Fantastic. Okay, it is time to write some words. When we write words, what do? We say the word, say the word, say the word, robot the word, write the word. Everyone. Amazing. Your first word is rot. Off you go. Rot, rot, rot. And can you write it down? Just try your best. Lovely. Okay, we're going to write it together. Rot, rot, rot. The first sound is r. So we go down the robot, back up, over the arm. Rot, r, oh. All around the orange. Rot. Down the tall tower with a flick, across the tower. Rot, rot, rot. Lovely. Make sure you always start on this side of the page of the board and we always write towards the sun. Okay. And we're going to write another word. Robot arms out. We're going to write the word rug. Off we go. Rug, rug, rug. Okay, and writing it down. Thinking carefully. Rug, rug, rug. Okay, we're going to write it together. Rug, rug. First sound is r. Second sound is and third sound, last sound is rug, r, g. Go around the girl's face, down her long hair with a flick. Rug. Lovely. Well done, everybody. I think you should give yourselves a big fantastic. So get your fan ready. And fantastic. Very good. I'll see you next time. Bye.